Hi guys, welcome to another course of MrLopezClasses.com. This is our marine electricity course. In advanced electricity, we are going to start with the AC current. We are going to analyze the different sources of AC current that you have in your boat, one per one: the inverter, the generator, the shore power, and this is the chapter 9. In the chapter number 10, we have 4 episodes because it's bonding and lighting. Oh, this is one of the chapters that we are going to repeat in other books. In the book of corrosion, we are going to use a lot of concepts related with the bonding system, and also in diesel, in auxiliary system. This chapter is a great chapter. It's composed by 4 episodes. In the chapter 11 is about the configuration of the AC panel, the AC wiring, and we are going to do the wiring for a single phase panel and a double phase panel with connection of gauge, voltmeter and meter. It's a wonderful episode related with the wiring of an AC panel. In chapter number 12, we are going to continue with the configuration of the AC panel, and we are going to do all the wiring schematic, and we are going to do troubleshoot on the AC panel. We are going to check what happens if the voltmeter is wrong, the ammeter is wrong, what happens if this equipment is in short, troubleshoot. This is chapter 12. In chapter 13, we are going to study motors, induction motors and transformers. We are going to study the procedure to reverse rotation in motors, AC and DC motors, and also we are going to study transformers and how the transformers are used to clean the signal, isolate the transformer, to increase the voltage in the output, step up transformer, to decrease the output of the transformer, step down. This is in chapter 13. In chapter 14, this is one of my best sellers, is generators, and we are going to study the different type of marine generators. And there are 5 episodes. I love that a group of episodes, like the chapter 14 dedicated to generators. In the first one is the fundamental of the generators and the procedure to convert generators from 50 Hz into 60 Hz. This is the episode number 1. Episode number 2 is about the voltage regulator, the adjustment of the voltage regulator, how to use the megometer to verify the condition of the winding, and the procedure to test all of those parts. And in episode number 3 is the procedure to install a marine generator in the boat, the tips, the recommendations, especially in depending if the generator is located below the water line, over the water line, if it's a diesel generator, if it's a gas generator. And in the episode number 4 is troubleshooting. Troubleshoot with generators. This is the most difficult part in the diagnosis of generators. And we are going to play what happens if the output voltage is high, is low, if the frequency is high, is low, if no voltage at the output, what happens if the generator starts and stops suddenly, what happens if the generator is running and suddenly overspeed. A lot of troubleshoot about the real situation. According to my experience, I work a lot of years dedicated only to generators and diesel engine. For that reason, I consider that this is the area where I am strong. And the number 5 is another wonderful wiring diagram. We are going to do the harness for a diesel engine or gas engine, the harness for a generator. We are going to do wire per wire the harness, the schematic. In a big whiteboard, we are going to create the harness for a generator. Another wonderful episode. I hope you enjoyed that episode. This is chapter 14. Chapter 15 is similar to the previous, is dedicated to inverters and UPS. Inverters, how the inverter works, the fundamental of the inverter, how the inverter should be wired in the boat, what is the procedure to connect the inverter, to the procedure to calculate the battery bank for the inverter, the procedure to calculate the battery bank according with the capacity of the AC panel. This is a nice chapter. The chapter 15 is related exclusive with inverters and how the inverters work, how the inverters are designed, and the procedure to select the inverters appropriated per each specific boat. And in the chapter 16, 17 and 18, we are going to talk about the solar system, the wind mills. It's sources of energy, renewable sources of energy, solar and wind power. And in chapter 19, we are going to talk about other topic that I love. It is hybrid boats. It's 2 episodes about the fundamentals of the hybrid boats, and the second one is the second part of that episode is the procedure to select the appropriate hybrid system for that particular boat, and different type of tips and recommendations if you want to convert your actual gasoline power boat into hybrid, or your actual diesel power boat into hybrid. We are going to study the fundamental factors used to take the decision about what electric motor is better or what hybrid solution is more recommended for my boat. And in chapter 19 we finish this wonderful book and those courses, basic and advanced electricity. I hope you enjoy these classes, 2 classes, 42 videos, a lot of tips, recommendations, and at the end of this class you will be ready to take the ABYC electrical certification. I hope you enjoy this course. I hope that these couple of courses be useful in your career.